Hello. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes, I am. How about you?
Yes, I am waiting to.
Do you know when the bus will come?
It should be here in 10 minutes.
Oh, that's good. I don't like waiting too long.
Me neither. The weather is hot today.
Yes, it is. I wish there was some shade.
Do you take this bus every day?
Yes, I do. What about you?
No, I take it only sometimes.
Where are you going today?
I am going to the market. And you?
I am going to work.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
That sounds like a good job.
Yes, it is. What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Oh, that's nice. What do you teach?
I teach English.
Wow, I am trying to learn English.
That's great. Your English is very good.
Thank you. I am still learning.
Do you take English classes?
Yes, I take classes online.
That's a good way to learn.
Yes, I practice every day.
That's the best way to improve.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a little Spanish.
That's cool. Spanish is a beautiful language.
Yes, it is. Learning new languages is fun.
I agree, it helps in many ways.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love traveling.
Me too. Where have you been?
I have been to France and Italy.
That's amazing. I want to visit Italy.
You should.
I love Italian food.
Me too, especially pizza and pasta. The food is delicious.
Same here. Do you cook?
Yes, I like cooking at home.
That's great. Cooking is a useful skill.
Yes, it is. Do you cook?
Sometimes, but I am not very good.
You can learn. It just takes practice.
You are right.
Oh, look, the bus is here.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe to our channel.